Huge update for Bitcoin. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Amidst this bearish feature, I have found a very bullish feature, guys, in the inverse head and shoulders. Please pay attention. Upside target $46,800. To the extent that that represented the price action today as we were breaking out up and above, trying to confirm this prior resistance as support. Bam, to the upside. Just pay attention. I'm going to go through the details along with the probabilities in about 2 to 3 minutes, guys, in total of this video. First of all, if you could please hit the like button, subscribe. Guys, let me know you like these videos, these quick updates. They're not easy to bring you. Let me know that you appreciate them with a like. Otherwise, we'll just stream, guys. In terms of this secondary feature, I want to let you guys know it's just easier for us to stream. So in terms of this specific, there's less cut tape, etc. involved. Guys, got to let you know. And this is no cut tape. It's just various rounds of explaining this as quickly as I can get it to you. All right, in terms of this specified level of resistance, the first rising wedge, let you know, expect a little bit of price action above, but it's bearish, right? Boom, to the downside. Now, last night I let you know, okay, I let you know, 5L was the name of the game, at least for me, right? Expecting more price action up and above, bam, we got it. Now, the important part here, we're trying to reconfirm the level of resistance as support. I'm trying to think of something. I was walking back into the office. I'm like, what can I do? What can I bring the VIP and the subscribers, the base campers, in terms of giving you some kind of an encouragement that we could continue to the upside? Because I'll tell you guys, this is very normal. For a rising wedge, this is extremely normal. Those of you who trade in, more so than just a very, very, I'd say, discreet move to the upside. This was a very discreet move to the upside in that first rising wedge. We called it bearish. We just did amidst the pushes to the upside. I'm still going to technically call this one bearish. That's it, guys. Okay, I called this one bearish. We got the move to the downside. All right, I've seen so many of these operate on the traders and it go to the downside. I'm still gonna call this as bearish. I just have to, guys, in line with the probabilities. If it's that 1 or 2 out of 10 that can beat to the upside, I'll stick with the 8 to 9 out of 10 just to let you guys know. But amidst the push to give us some encouragement, I wanted to bring you the pattern that no one is looking at right now. If you're looking at it on your screen, that is specific inverse head and shoulders on the candle wicks, I want you to know that you belong in VIP. I got to let you know that in terms of this left shoulder head formation, right shoulder, right? We measure up to the candle wicks for the purposes of the neckline in terms of that amplitude from the head to that neckline, which is between the pivots, between the shoulders and the inverse in that inverse head. What I would say is that measurement move to the upside, we're going to be looking at $46,800. Greatest thing in the world is it would get us past all of these specific preceding lines of resistance, these pivots, lines of resistance over the last 60 to 65 days. This is what we want. Essentially, would bring us back to this specified territory here, that level of generalized resistance where we could pattern up a bit more. Let's get there, bulls. If you are in the mood to push this price up, I see what you're looking at. It's that inverse head and shoulders. Guys, just understand the patterns in play. That's the bottom line. And do understand as well, I always say, buy at support, sell at resistance, right? Never be overexposed at a higher price. First and foremost, that's the VIP way to be. In terms of this specific pattern, let's go over the details real quickly. So we would look at, and it's going to differ on the levels, on the lines, to the candles. But as we would look at, I always say buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns. This is a pattern, right? Trying to confirm prior resistance as support, right? As I would say, also hit your targets. Buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your targets. Your targets in this specific instance will be, right, from the point of breakout for the bull flag, bam, to the upside we draw, right to the candle wick, boom. We have all these targets, beautiful targets, including that 86, our custom, my custom 86. In addition to that golden pocket, it's going to be difficult to keep the market off that golden pocket. Guys, we'll stream tonight. Wanted to update you in terms of that inverse head and shoulders. I wanted to make sure that VIP subscribers, anyone with Bitcoin Spike, that you're aware of this specific pattern and the magnitude and the benefit were we to be able to get up and past this specific zone, heavy level of resistance here, guys. So that would be a nice trajectory. In addition, and that's the most immediate pattern. I'm like, well, we have an inverse head and shoulders. I have to bring that to the community. So, guys, I appreciate your time. It's about 4 minutes in. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Keep those alerts on, all alerts, and we will stream tonight. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.